Nigerian Genius.
I'm David Okinwa. This is Team UNN.
This was to test our ability to recall. That is our ability to capture with our sight at once. So it was really entertaining. Normally, you can capture something and your eyes are still open, you draw it perfectly well, but now our eyes are closed. We are practically blind.
This task is a blindfold drawing challenge. You would draw blindfolded. The beautiful thing is that it's a tool you use as engineers or as future engineers. I mean, you're already been trained to be that. And that's a caliper. And there'll be 4 major things that I must find or we must find in your drawing. First one is the upper jaws, usually used for internal measurements, the lower jaws for external measurements, the depth rod, and the lock screw. 3 minutes to make that mental drawing.
And that shows a lot of things. Firstly, it shows to me that we need to have vision, even as we see physically, which is very important for engineers. We need to have vision, we need to see with our mind's eye, because the vernier caliper was in our mind and we were drawing it on paper. And next, we should be able to map coordinates of things, even to have a sense of coordinates, even without seeing per se. We should be able to know when we have gone this distance, 1 meter, 2 meters, and so on and so forth.
Okay, I actually have experience drawing things from my mind. I practiced stuff like that a lot, so it was kind of easier for me, and I made sure I noticed all the important parts before I started my drawing. So it was interesting, and I love it.
And continue to remind us the vision, the goal of the program.
We are looking forward to the innovations, inventions, products that will emerge from this challenge that each of the schools here will build. We are looking forward to great things from LAUTECH, from UNN, from FUOTUOKE, and then from FUTMINNA. Your schools are looking forward to you. The whole country is watching you and looking forward to. I'm praying for you and hoping and praying hard that this team of geniuses in the CLINTONEL Advanced Engineering Centre, that they will succeed in solving Nigeria's toughest engineering and manufacturing challenges. Thank you and have a lovely day.
Today, we were able to machine our model we created using Fusion 360 software. So we used the CNC milling machine. So it was an awesome experience because normally we do design with this CAD software, but we haven't really seen the design in physical form. So having practicalizing this, it was awesome. We saw our model exactly the way we dimensioned it. Everything came out perfectly well. It was actually a connecting rod. So I think ours was beautiful. Beautiful, honestly. Yeah. The casting went well too, because casting, normally we do study manufacturing technology, although on papers. So we have all those, the dry casting, green sand casting, and the rest. So we actually saw it for ourselves today, and we did it